Welcome to Cardinal Home Center. Tell us a little bit about the project that you're working on.
Right now, I'm giving my bathroom a little renovation. We're replacing the tub and the walls. I'm doing some wallpaper on the ceiling, actually.
What are you at Cardinal Home Center to purchase as part of this project?
I'm actually purchasing their spa interior paint for bathrooms, which is one of the few paints that you can use in a matte finish for a bathroom. And they're actually matching it to a color that I brought in for them. I also bought some paint that is for matching the vanity to the medicine cabinet. And it's an kind of a hybrid alkyd oil/oil-based. So I brought in my cabinet drawer and I had them use their color matcher on it and come up with the formula for it.
So tell me a little bit about, what it's like coming into Cardinal Home Center.
I come here when I have challenging projects that require accurate color match or a paint finish that's challenging or different than, the typical finishes. Also, I came in here recently to buy paint for my kitchen cabinets, which had many layers underneath it, and was able to finally paint these cabinets the second time around. Lots of work, but finally paint them in a way that's durable, and I love them now.